See this problem. Verify Green's theorem in the plane for the given integral 3x square minus 8y square dx plus 4y minus 6xy into dy, where C is the boundary of the region x equal to 0, y equal to 0 and x plus y equal to 1. With the help of these three equations, we have to construct a region. See, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. If you consider this one as x-axis, automatically y equal to 0. So this line represents y equal to 0 line. If it is y-axis, automatically the value of x equal to 0. Therefore, this is x equal to 0 line. Consider the point A at which the value of x equal to 1 and y equal to 0. At the point B, the value of x equal to 0 but y equal to 1. Connect these 2 points, we can get x plus y equal to 1 line. Now the region R is bounded by these 3 equations. Now the given is integral m into dx plus n into dy, which is equal to 3x square minus 8y square into dx plus 4y minus 6xy into dy. This is given. We know the Green's theorem in the plane, that is m into dx plus n into dy C, which is equal to double integral of r into dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y into dx dy. Now from this equation, the value of m is equal to this much. This is m. This is m. This is m. Now we can write m equal to 3x square minus 8y square and n equal to 4y minus 6xy. Now find out the value of dou m by dou y. Dou m by dou y is equal to minus 16y. Then find out dou n by dou x. Dou n by dou x, which is equal to minus 6y. Then dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y, which is equal to minus 6y minus of minus 16y, which is equal to minus 6y plus 16y is equal to 10y. Therefore, double integral of r dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y into dx dy, which is equal to, put the integrals, this quantity is 10y into dx dy. Now what are the limits? Lower limit of x equal to what? Upper limit of x equal to what? Then lower limit of y equal to what? Upper limit of y equal to what? To find out the lower limit, come to this diagram. Draw a strip parallel to the x-axis. Say a strip is drawn parallel to the x-axis from the origin. This is the strip. Now the strip starts from x equal to 0 equation and ends in the x plus y equal to 1 equation. Therefore, the lower limit is x equal to 0 and upper limit is x equal to 1 minus y. But along the x-axis the value of y equal to 0, so upper limit is 1. Therefore, the lower limit of x is 0, upper limit is 1. To find the value of lower and upper limits of y, draw a strip parallel to this y-axis. Say from the bottom, that means from the origin, we are drawing a strip parallel to the y-axis. Say the lower end, this is lower limit, touches the y equal to 0 line. Therefore, the lower limit of y is equal to 0. Lower limit of y is 0. Then the strip ends in the x plus y equal to 1 line. Therefore, y equal to 1 minus x. Y equal to, upper limit of y equal to 1 minus x. Now this is equal to integral 0 to 1 integral 0 to 1 minus x 10y dy, entire is multiplied by dx. This is equal to integral 0 to 1. If you integrate 10 is a constant, y dy we can get, put 10 as such, y square by 2. Then you have to apply the limit 0, 1 minus x. Entire is multiplied by dx. Then this is equal to 10 by 2 is 5. 5 into integral limit varying from 0 to 1, y square by, not 2, we have already taken it out, we have simplified that one. 10 by 2 is 5, y square, then apply the limits 0, 1 minus x into dx. This is equal to 5 into integral 0 to 1, y equal to 1 minus x, y square is 1 minus x whole square into dx. This is equal to 5 into integral 0 to 1, 1 plus x square minus 2x, entire is multiplied by dx. A minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now integrate this. This is equal to 5 into 0 to 1. 1 into dx plus integral x square dx, limit varying from 0 to 1, minus 2 into integral x dx, limit varying from 0 to 1. This is equal to 5 into integral of dx is x plus integral of x square dx is x cube by 3 minus 2 into integral x dx is x square by to lower limit is 0, upper limit is 1. This is equal to 5 into, apply the upper limit, instead of x you have to put 1 plus 1 by 3. 1 cube is 1. Then 2 get cancelled. Minus 1 square is 1. This is equal to 5 by 3. 1 minus 1, 0. 5 into 1 by 3, 5 by 3. Therefore, dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y into dx dy equal to 5 by 3. Now, we arrived at this result, right hand side result for the given integral. Now we have to find out the value of left hand side, that is m into dx plus n into dy, which is equal to m into dx plus n into dy for OA line plus, this is cross integral, m into dx plus n into dy for AB line, no circle here, just ordinary integration, because this is line integral. This is m into dx, this is AB line, plus m into dx plus n into dy for BO line. Now consider this OA line, AB line, then BO line. The value of m into dx is 3x square minus 8y square dx. Integral 3x square minus 8y square into dx plus 3x square minus 8y square dx plus 4y minus 6xy plus 4y minus 6xy into dy. This is a value of m into dx plus n into dy in general. Now, for the OA line, the equation is y equal to 0, then dy equal to 0. See this line, y equal to 0, therefore dy is 0. If you differentiate this, you can get dy equal to 0. Now, for the OA line, m into dx plus n into dy for OA, which is equal to, the right hand side, put y equal to 0 and dy equal to 0. If you put dy equal to 0, the entire term is 0. This is vanished. If you put y equal to 0, this term is vanished. So, this is equal to 3x square dx. Now you should apply the limits. See this OA line, all are in terms of x. The lower value of x is 0, upper value of x is 1 in the OA line. Say this is 0 to 1. This is equal to 3x cube by 3, 0 to 1, which is 3 get cancelled, 1 cube is 1. So the integral value is 1. Now for the AB line, the equation is x plus y equal to 1. Therefore, y equal to 1 minus x and dy equal to minus dx. Now write down the general value of m into dx plus n into dy, that is equal to 3x square minus 6xy. Verify once again. Sorry, 3x square minus 8, 3x square minus 8y square minus 8y square into dx plus 3x square minus 8y square dx plus 4y minus 6xy into dy. This is the value of m into dx plus n into dy. 3x square minus 8y square dx plus 4y minus 6xy into dy. Now in this equation you have to find out for the line AB. For the line AB, what are the limits? Go to the line AB. You have to express all the things in terms of x. Here the lower limit is 1 because the x is at the point A, the value of x is 1. At the point B, the value of x is 0. So the upper limit 0, lower limit 1. So the limit is 1 to 0. Lower limit 1, upper limit 0. Now in the above equation, instead of y we have to put 1 minus x. 3x square minus 8 into 1 minus x whole square into dx. Entire is multiplied by dx plus 4 into 1 minus x. Instead of y we have to put 1 minus x minus 6x into 1 second 1 minus x because y equal to 1 minus x into dy. dy is minus dx here. dy is minus dx. Now we have to simplify this. This is equal to integral 1 to 0 3x square minus 8 into this is 1 plus x square minus 2x. Entire is multiplied by dx. Now entire is multiplied minus dx, so take the negative sign commonly. 4 into 1 minus x minus 6x into 1 minus x. Entire is multiplied by dx. Now we have to simplify this. This is equal to 1 to 0 3x square minus 8, then minus 8x square plus 16x into dx minus 4 minus 4x minus 6x plus 6x square. This is multiplied by dx. Now align all the terms. This is equal to 1 to 0 3x square minus 8x square, here 1 6x square, 6x square. Now add the x terms. 16x once again multiply with the negative sign and then simplify for easy handling. Say this is equal to 1 to 0 3x square minus 8 minus 8x square plus 16x minus 4 plus 4x plus 6x minus 6x square entire is multiplied by dx. Now align the terms. This is equal to integral 1 to 0 3x square minus 8x square then minus 6x square. This is over, this is over, this is over. And align the x term plus 16x plus 4x plus 6x over is over. Then align the constant term minus 8 minus 4, that is minus 12. Entire is multiplied by dx. This is equal to 1 to 0 3x square, this is minus 8 minus 6, this is minus 14, minus 14 plus 3, that is minus 11 x square. Then minus 6x square, this is over, x square term is over, 16x plus 4x plus 6x plus 26x minus 12. Entire is multiplied by dx. Now I have to integrate this. This is equal to minus 11 x cube by 3. Integral x square dx is x cube by 3 plus 26 x square by 2. Integral x dx is x square by 2 minus 12 into dx. Integral dx is x. Now apply the limits. 1 0. See that if you apply the upper limit, entire is 0, then minus of lower limit, so put a negative sign commonly outside, then apply the lower limit, minus 11 by 3 plus 13, because 26 by 2 is 13, 13 into x square, x is 1, then minus 12. Once again I am repeating, upper limit is 0, so everything is vanished, minus of, just to put up the lower limit, minus 11 by 3 plus 13, because 26 by 2 is 13, x equal to 1, so x square is also 1, then minus 12 into 1, minus 12. Now multiply with the negative sign, with this negative sign, 11 by 3 minus 13 plus 12. Take the common factor. Simplify this. It is 11 by 3 minus 1. This is equal to 11 minus 3 by 3, which is equal to 8 by 3. Therefore, the integral m into dx plus n into dy for the line AB equal to 8 by 3. Now we have to find out the final line. Once again write down the value m into dx plus n into dy, which is equal to, write down the value, 3x square minus 8y square, 3x square minus 8 minus 8 y square dx plus 3x square minus 8y square dx plus 4y minus 6xy plus 4y minus 6xy into dy. This is general value. Now for the BO line, the equation is x equal to 0. Therefore, dx equal to 0. See this BO line? This is BO line. We have expressed all the things in terms of y. The lower limit of y here is 1, and upper limit is 0. Now in the above equation, put x equal to 0 and dx equal to 0. If you put dx equal to 0, this entire is 0. Therefore, m into dx plus n into dy for BO line is equal to integral x equal to 0, dx is 0. So, entire is 0. Here, if you put x equal to 0, this is 0. So, 4y into dy. Here the limit is 1 to 0. Lower limit is 1, upper limit is 0. Once again verify. BO, here the value of y is 1. Here the value of y is 0. This is lower limit, this is upper limit. So 1 to 0. Here the limit is 1 to 0. This is equal to 4 y square by 2. 4 is a constant, y dy is y square by 2. Now apply the limit 1 to 0. If you apply the upper limit, everything is vanished, minus of lower limit. 4 into 1 by 2. 4 by 2, which is equal to minus 2. Now sum up the entire m into dx plus n into dy c, which is equal to m into dx plus n into dy for OA plus m into dx plus n into dy AB plus m into dx plus n into dy BO. Substitute the first integral value, that is 1. Then the second integral is 8 by 3. And the final integral is minus 2. Then 3 plus 8 minus 6. See this, 8 plus 3, 11, minus 6 by 3. This is 5 by 3. In the right hand side, we have had the value of 5 by 3. In the left hand side also, we have had the value of 5 by 3. Hence, the Green's theorem is verified for the given integral.